What is up, you guys? How are you guys doing? Hope that y'all are having a great day. Hope that y'all are feeling blessed and encouraged. Just got back from the gym, did back end biceps, did what I could to get some content in there. So, I just felt that some people were just uncomfortable, didn't want to be filmed, or just didn't want to see someone start filming. So, got what I could in the gym. Hope that you guys enjoyed that. Also, future advice for the youngins. As you get older, if your eyesight starts to lose, if you start not being able to follow the speed limit, don't get a nice car. Because it's a waste of your money. Don't feel entitled. Save your money. And don't waste your time with buying it, because if you're not, see, for example, there's a lot of people that I know that have nice cars. Then they're a little on the older side, so they don't drive as fast as others. So it's hard for those people to get around. Just go for it and just run the red light. Just go for it until we just run the red light, right? But we love doing that stuff. But yeah, just a good advice for you guys. Don't get a nice car the older you get, because if you're not going to be able to drive the speed limit, or if you're not going to know how to use your car, do not drive it. Just a little friendly advice. But again, I hope that you guys have a great day. I hope that y'all are feeling blessed and encouraged. Hope you guys are staying safe and staying healthy as well. I just got over my cold, and I feel great, feel better, feel 100% again. And I'm just ready to get back in the grind of things, trying to get more videos popping on the channel. And of course, trying to build the brand, and keep it going, build a name so I can build a legacy. What will people remember me by when I die? That's the big question here. Also, just a random question, out of the ordinary, that I've just been curious about, especially with what we were talking about in daily devotion early this morning. Again, if you guys haven't seen that already, go check that out. Links will be in the profile, or go check out that at the YouTube channel. We talked today about Christians can't be fruit pickers, talking about the fruit of the Spirit, etc., etc. And I would like to ask, in some way, shape, or form, us humans, of course, we've been given so much. We've been given, such great gifts from God, especially with where we live today and how we're living today. We're really, really blessed as a nation. My question is why are we so picky? Why do we like to play the game of pick and choose? It just makes no sense to me, guys. I mean, surely, wouldn't we understand that if we're given all these good, abundant things, that we would want to, bear good fruits and be good, and be appreciative of that? Why are we so nitpicky? Why are we so picky? That's something that I would want that I would want the answer to, or to try to find out ideas or observations on why are we like that, because to me, I feel like it's one thing, and it leads to us not appreciating and putting our life to Jesus. Because I feel like if we did, things would be a whole lot different. I feel like. So it's something that we should be thinking about, you guys. I don't know. That's something that's just been on my mind for a little bit, because we do like to be picky a lot, and we do like to make our lives a little bit harder than they have to be. Just being honest, though. But yeah, that's something we should just think about. I mean, I don't know. That's just something in my thoughts that I've thought of. But I wonder what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Also, we gotta really be paying attention, folks. We gotta really be paying attention on what we're putting in our brains and what we're entertaining. If that makes sense. All right, so just be very, very vigilant, especially if you have children. Please be very vigilant about what they're watching, what they're entertaining, what they're being engaged with at school. Be involved with your kids' school and be involved with the school system, because the more you know, the more you understand of what it actually is and how much of a difference we can actually make if we know more information about it. Okay? Something that we should just be thinking about, you guys. Something to think about. And we always need to be praying, guys. Prayer changes things. Okay? Prayer changes things. And we need to believe it. We need to trust in God. God is in control. No matter what we think, like, especially with, what's been going on in politics. Whatever was going on in politics, let me tell you something. God is in control. God is in control. I promise you. I promise you. He is in control. He's not letting nobody do anything wrong that is irreversible. I'll just, to try to make it as understandable as possible. God is not going to let things, God is going to not let certain things happen. Let's just say that. He's not going to let certain things happen. But it's like how I was asking yesterday, church, what are we going to do? Are we going to stand up and fight, or are we going to sit down and sit back or go and hide like how we did during COVID? During COVID, when they told us that churches need to shut down, we all hid in our bedrooms and hid under our beds. Are we going to do that now, or are we going to stand up and fight? That's the question that I have for not just people who do believe, but who don't believe either. Are we going to stand up and fight, or are we going to actually stick together regardless of where we come from, regardless of our differences, regardless of how we feel about each other? Are we going to come together united as a country to fight for the good of our country, to keep our country intact? That's the question. Something that we should all be thinking about, you guys. Like I've said before, and like a lot of other people are saying now too. If you go look at Patrick McDavid, he's saying unity is key, guys. The future looks bright. The future looks bright, guys. You have to be optimistic about the future, okay? Because things are going to happen in the future that we do not know about. The future is unknown, okay? We have to trust and believe that the future will look bright, all right? So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's content. I hope that you enjoyed today's vlog. Of course, we only promote peace, unity, and community here on the channel, you guys. Bringing you biblical-based content as usual. Trying to do that as much as possible as well. Not just giving you daily devotion, but also reactions to Christian content as well. So something different. Who knows? But stay tuned for more content, you guys. If you guys haven't already, leave a like and comment on the video. And of course, if you guys haven't already, subscribe down to the channel and hit the bell notification. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos on the channel. Go check it out. I appreciate all of you guys. Hope that you guys have a great day. Remember, God loves you, God forgives you, God wants what's best for you guys. So hope that y'all have a great day. God bless you guys. Peace.